Hey there, welcome to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Eric Burris, resident nerd, and here with Elizabeth, resident animal expert. Elizabeth, who do we have here?
Today we have Papa. Papa is a Florida pine snake, and he is here to show us about one of his superpowers.
Yeah, all right. So clearly, I mean, we see he's a big guy, but I feel like if you were at an angle, at a distance, it would be a little more difficult.
Yeah, you might not see him. So he's got that beautiful pattern across all of his scales. That's called camouflage. And camouflage is really useful for animals out in the wild for two main reasons. It helps them catch food, and it helps them prevent from being food.
What is his food?
So he's gonna eat small mammals, little rodents, maybe even some lizards, frogs,
Not
eggs.
us.
No, we're a little too big for him, fortunately.
And so his camouflage helps him from, I would assume, like birds of prey, things like that?
So his main predators are going to be skunks and foxes.
Really?
So they're a little closer to the ground.
Yeah, okay.
A bird of prey, this might be a little big for them.
That's a good point. Touche.
But if it was maybe a baby, might be a bird of prey that comes for him.
And you have the opportunity to actually meet and touch him here at the Science Center.
Yeah, so Papa is one of our most fantastic ambassador animals.
Yeah.
So you're not going to see him out on exhibit, but you might see him if you come to one of our animal presentations, be able to talk to one of our keepers and learn a lot more about him and all of the animals here at the Science Center.
He's super fun, and so are you. Thank you so much for introducing us. Nice to see. He's looking at the camera.
He is.
I love it. Very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for joining us for the science of it.